everyone! So today, I got the Nova Party air horn, and I got this one. So, yeah. That one, there's a little bit air left, and this one has a lot of air. So, I'm not blasting these today. I thought I was gonna do it today, but I was fall asleep. So, I might gonna have to record a video of blasting my air horns tomorrow just before it's gonna snow, because there's a big snowstorm coming through here in my area on Saturday or something. So yeah, it's gonna be like 2 feet wide of snow, well, which is like a lot. And son of schools, and my school will be closed next week too, during the snow storm. Yeah. I was like, that's crazy. But anyways, so I got these two air horns. I think this one name is Horn 70, Safety Sport. And this one is a party air horn. Use it for parties. Again, but I'm not sounding off in my house because my dad is asleep. So I'm just showing y'all to my air horns today. So yeah. So yeah. Shows like a button, and there's a button on the side too. I don't know if you all see it. Yeah, you can see it right there. So, yep. Alright. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for the next video. Until next time. Peace out.